Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. This is an invitation to anyone who wants to use up their Christmas paper stash. You're invited to join us. All you have to do is use the hashtag Christmas in July PSS. That is for Paper Stash Smash. So if you have things in your stash that you want to use up and you want to do some Christmas in July projects, we invite you to go ahead and make a video or make a project and post it on YouTube or Instagram or whatever social media you want to use using the hashtag. We'd love to see what you make. It is entirely open to anybody. We don't have any special thumbnails. All we have is the hashtag and the invitation to everyone. So show us what you've made, use the hashtag, and we hope to see you again later in the month. We are all going to post on July 5th of what we hope to smash, and then we'll smash things through the month. I will show projects, you can show projects as you complete them, and then post a recap of your completed projects on July 31st, again, whether you use YouTube or Instagram or whatever social media platform you choose. And that's what I wanted to talk about today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.